Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Nico's kitchen. Spaghetti alla Carrettiera. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel and you will discover many new weekly original video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Bring a large pot half full of water to a boil. With a sharp paring knife, core and score a shallow 1-inch size X on the bottom of each tomato. Cut just enough to pierce through the skin. Add the scored tomato and blanch in the boiling water for about 40 to 60 seconds, or until the skin will start to separate from the flesh. After about a minute, with a slotted spoon, remove the tomatoes and immediately submerge them in an ice water bath to halt the cooking. When the tomatoes are cool to the touch, peel the skin off and cut in half, and then dice them into small cubes. Optional, remove the seeds with a small spoon from the tomatoes before dicing them. Place the diced tomatoes in a large bowl. Peel and remove the internal garlic germ, will make the raw garlic more digestible. Once done, finely chop the garlic cloves. The parsley, the basil, and set aside. Bring a large pot of water to the boil to cook the pasta. Once the water comes to a boil, add salt and the pasta, cook al dente or according to the instructions on the package, usually about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, season the chopped tomatoes with chopped garlic, basil, parsley, few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of each salt, pepper, and chili peppers. When the pasta is done cooking, drain, and reserve half a cup of pasta water. Using tongs, transfer the pasta to the tomato mixture along with few tablespoons of the pasta cooking water. Thoroughly toss and stir to combine the pasta and the sauce. Add half of the grated cheese and toss to combine. If the pasta seems a bit dry, add a tablespoon of pasta water and olive oil to reach the desired consistency. Transfer the pasta to plates and sprinkle with the remaining grated cheese or lightly toasted breadcrumbs if desired. Your pasta alla carrettiera is ready to be served. If you find this video to your liking, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.